What's up, everybody? Shane with Moretti Outdoors. My 600 subscriber giveaway video coming up next. What's up, guys? Thanks for coming back. As some of you know, I haven't really been around for a while. I didn't really forget about anybody or anything with YouTube. I've just been really super busy. My hours shifted from second shift to first shift now. Section hiking the IAT, which is the Ice Age Trail. Also, I'm doing a lot of fishing with my family. I went to a couple firework displays already. Just, you know, typical summer stuff, and I've just been kind of taking a break, but you know, I got some awesome videos coming up, guys. I got some section hike videos of the IAT coming up. Some really good firework display videos coming up. I got a kayak trip video coming up. It's been kind of a awkward summer for me. Usually by now I've probably done like a half dozen trips, but I've been doing a lot of stuff, you know, personal business and doing personal things. So I haven't really gotten out like I wanted to, but I'm gonna do a lot more, you know, late this July and then into August. But like I said, I've been section hiking the IAT, which is 1,220 miles long, and I've already gone out and section hike twice now, and I'm gonna be going out another third time. I'm hoping by the end of the summer I can accomplish maybe about 150 to 200 miles on it. It's a very rugged, tough trail. So there's some good footage coming up for that. Maybe I have a little bit more of an explanation of why I haven't really been on YouTube much. That might help you guys out. I'm not going to get into detail right now about it because this is the giveaway video. But I'm at, I believe, 460 subscribers. It keeps bouncing around. So this is my video for the giveaway, and I'm going to try to hit 600. That's my goal. And when 600 hits, that's when I'm going to give the stuff away. I'm drawing 3 names. So 3 people will be eligible for prizes. There's three different sets of prizes, and it's real simple. All you guys got to do is leave a comment below. And without further ado, let's get into the stuff I'm giving away. I got a great selection of stuff, guys, so let's get into it. Alright, guys, you'll have to excuse the mower in the background. Freaking people over next door mowing, but I'm running out of time to get this video going. So this is the first place prizes right here, guys. So I'm giving away a couple folders. Pretty nice little folders. I'm always breaking up the old stoker, so I'm giving one of those away, brand new in the container. Got the old fire stoker. Also giving away a big pack of fat wood, Moretti Outdoors fat wood, and it's wrapped with birch bark. Big old slab of birch bark wrapped around it. Also, I'm giving away the Bushcraft 101 book. It's a really good book. They usually retail for about 17 bucks in the store. So, got everything you want in there about bushcraft survival and stuff. And then if you guys have seen this, I've given one away before, but I'm also giving away another Stealth Angel kit. It's got the flashlight, the fire starter, the pen knife, the key card, compass, whistle, another little flashlight. So that's prize number 1, guys. All that is first place, and that's valued at I don't know, maybe 40 or 50 bucks, something like that. So that's first place. Alright, guys, for second place, you guys have seen it before. I've given one away in the past too. A brand new Perkin bushcraft knife with leather sheath, still in the box, unopened. I kind of made this like a little creator's kit pack, so Really nice flashlight with a case. Super bright. It's got a whole bunch of different modes on it. It's got the extension where you can telescope it out and it switches all your angles, and it's a torch. Comes with the case. A little space blanket. Another chunk of fat wood for second place, which there's no birch bark, but still Wisconsin fat wood. And then like a little creator's kit, which comes with a 32 gigabyte memory card, which we all need those. Little tripod, you know, for maybe a smaller camera you got. The the SD card for your computer if you need it, and then a little holder for your SD cards, which is kind of cool. So that's second place, guys. Second place. All right, guys, and last but not least, third place. Gonna end up with a little bit smaller of a bundle of fat wood, but nonetheless, Wisconsin fat wood again. A little bundle of that. I've done a review on this. You guys have seen it. It's that outdoor tools card. It's got all the little tools on it, little knife and stuff, so I'm giving that away as well with the whistle. Another space blanket. A handsaw, brand new, never used it. Nice little survival handsaw. Given these away too before in the past. A little Coleman first aid kit. And then a little flashlight that you squeeze to charge. Nice little light. Don't need no batteries for it or nothing. So that's third place, guys. The only rules I have for this giveaway is be a subscriber, comment below to enter to win. As soon as I hit 600 subscribers, I will start drawing names, 3 people. If you want to do a VR, you can. It's not going to get you an extra entry, but it's going to help me get subscribers to get the giveaway going quicker. And then from here, it's just going to be downloading videos left and right because I have a ton made and I've been editing like crazy. So other than that, you know, it's the 3rd of July, so tomorrow's the 4th. Friday's the 6th. It's my birthday. So I got a lot of stuff going on. A lot of family stuff we're doing, so I'll start getting all my IAT section hike videos up, and I really appreciate everybody sticking around and not forgetting about me, man. You know, like I said, some things are just more important than others, and I kind of put YouTube off to the side, and but I'm back, man. I'm back. So I really appreciate everybody, and as always, go wild.